Pi Network TV subscribe.
Subscribe is evolving faster than ever, and one project is quietly reshaping how we think about digital money. It's not Bitcoin, it's not Ethereum, it's Pi Network, a mobile-based cryptocurrency that has just hit a historic milestone, over 100 million downloads worldwide. That's right, Pi Network has officially surpassed 100 million users, putting it far ahead of most mainstream crypto exchanges like Coinbase, OKX, and Crypto.com in terms of community size. So what exactly is Pi Network? Founded in 2019 by a group of Stanford PhDs, Pi Network was designed with one goal in mind: to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy or the wealthy. Unlike traditional mining that requires expensive equipment and consumes massive amounts of energy, Pi allows anyone to mine crypto directly from their smartphone, without draining battery or data. The idea is simple: mine Pi, grow your network, and build the future of decentralized finance, all from your phone. When Pi Network launched its beta version in March 2019, very few people believed it could grow this fast. But just 6 years later, in 2025, Pi has reached an astonishing 100 million registered users and continues to grow daily. To put that in perspective, Coinbase has around 50 million downloads, OKX about 10 million, and Crypto.com roughly the same. Pi Network's download numbers are double or even 10 times larger than many major crypto platforms. That's not just adoption, that's a global movement. What makes Pi so appealing? It's community first. The entire ecosystem is built around real people, called pioneers, who contribute daily by verifying transactions, securing the network, and spreading awareness. Unlike speculative crypto projects that promise quick gains, Pi has focused on building trust, scalability, and real-world utility. And that's exactly why it has been able to build one of the largest active communities in the crypto world, with Pi users in over 200 countries. From small towns to major cities, from students to entrepreneurs, Pi Network has united millions under one goal: financial inclusion for all. The Pi core team has always emphasized that Pi is not just a cryptocurrency, it's an entire ecosystem. With the launch of Pi Wallet, Pi Browser, and Pi Apps, users can already explore decentralized applications and peer-to-peer transactions within the Pi environment. The vision is clear: a global, inclusive digital economy built by the people, for the people, powered by mobile technology and trust. Once Pi transitions fully to mainnet, users will be able to use their mined Pi to buy goods, pay for services, and even build businesses, all within the Pi ecosystem. With 100 million users, Pi Network is now entering its most exciting phase yet. The focus now is on KYC verification, ecosystem expansion, and mainnet integration, ensuring the network is secure, compliant, and ready for global transactions. Thousands of developers are already building decentralized apps on Pi Browser, preparing for what many believe could become one of the largest decentralized economies in the world. As the ecosystem matures, Pi could potentially rival traditional financial systems, not by competing, but by empowering ordinary people to participate in the digital economy. The Pi Network journey is more than a tech story. It's a story of community, belief, and the power of collaboration. 100 million downloads is just the beginning. Whether you're already a pioneer or hearing about Pi for the first time, this movement shows us one thing clearly: the future of cryptocurrency is not just in wallets and exchanges, it's in people. The world is mining together, and the revolution has only just begun. For recording narration.